Hey guys, welcome to EduTech Rohit. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to complete Operation Falcon Special Ops level 75 with slow motion. So you need to stay close to the divider so you can get 10x and all them alive. And you get 1 extra, so your soldier will be survive one and stay left till these hurdles go out. They will not touch you in left side. Then you have to choose the left side plus 20 and then get 5 times. And guys, it's easy. You can see they have defeated that enemy and the mission is completed. You can also try like this, watch in slow motion and apply to your play. For more content like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so don't miss any update. See ya.